Welcome to our channel. Today we how to invest in cybersecurity with Rapid7, full guide step by step clearly. To begin investing in cybersecurity with Rapid7, start by researching the cybersecurity landscape. Familiarize yourself with the company's mission and offerings. Understand the types of services Rapid7 provides, including vulnerability management, application security, and incident detection. Visit Rapid7's official website for detailed information on their products and services. Review their most recent financial statements, which provide insights into profitability and revenue growth. Analyze market trends to assess the demand for cybersecurity solutions. Consider reading analyst reports to gain insights from industry experts. Next, set up a brokerage account if you don't already have one. Choose a reputable online brokerage that provides easy access to stocks. Once you have your brokerage account, search for Rapid7 stock using its ticker symbol. Place a market order or limit order depending on your investment strategy. Before purchasing, evaluate your financial goals and how this investment fits into your portfolio. Decide how much capital you are willing to invest in Rapid7. Consider diversifying your investments to mitigate risk. After acquiring shares, track Rapid7's stock performance regularly. Stay updated on industry news that may impact the company's stock price. Review quarterly earnings reports to monitor the company's financial health. Engage with online communities and forums to gain insights from other investors. If you see fluctuations in the stock price, remain calm and assess the situation before acting. Consider setting a target price for selling your shares based on your investment strategy. Regularly reassess your investment strategy to align with changing market conditions. Finally, keep learning about cybersecurity trends to make informed decisions regarding your investment in Rapid7. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.